manager, this one, edit. I'm gonna say TBL phases. Okay, and I click on OK. I close. Then I'm going to here creating my dashboard here, this area where I have progress, and here I have the metadata here that I have in this part. Then I'm going to here to show the progress. To do this, I'm going to the Gantt area, and here where is the progress, I'm going to type the following. I'm going to type sum if, so I'm going to get as a criteria that the left of A7 sum criteria is on the H6 to H38. Okay, so I get the same on the line, and then I have a dot, so one dot, etc. will be counted. Okay, the rest is not counted. Okay, then I'm going to sum the criteria. This is going to vary, but the column has to be A, the row has to be 6, and then here again is 500. Now I need to divide this by the number of function. The criteria range is again this one, the A6 and A38. Okay, and the criteria is left $A6. Okay, and again the same as before. Okay, I'm gonna close this. Zero, so I'm 6%. Okay, and then I can continue here, control, I'm gonna paste. These of course are 0% because I have no progress. Okay, you can do an exercise for this. Okay, then I'm going to the dashboard, and here I'm going to find index, array, and Gantt. Okay, I'm going to check this. Okay, where we have the match of this. Okay, this is this one, so this string and this. Okay, and then here this is percentage. I'm gonna drag this. Oh, I need to use the column. Okay, now I'm gonna drag this. Okay, and here we have our percentage. Area. I can also insert a rectangle if I want, like this. I'll make it the following. For my shape, no fill, and the line is this one, like this. I'm gonna report this here. So try to do your project, monitor it, and you will see here the progress of all of this. Okay.